Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you a background removal tool I made. Yes, I know there's thousands of them, hundreds of background removal tools, and they all do the same thing. And I wanted one that was easy, free, and cheap. And the reason I made this is because I got tired of using AI to remove backgrounds. Sometimes I don't feel like using Photoshop, even though it's very easy and I have Photoshop and it's a pretty easy process. And there's free background removals tools you could use also, but I just kind of want to create my own and add my own flow to it and kind of make it more of a system versus just a background removal tool, like add MD files, add context, add web search, and a whole bunch of other stuff I plan on adding. But right now it's just basic background removal, and it's all for free using local models. I'm not using AI. I'm only using AI to generate the background, and then I meshed the two together. So let's just jump right into it. As you can see, I have an image here. It's a picture of soap with a black background. The background is not too bad, but we need to remove that. We're going to use use this model. Let's generate just a basic background. Let's do actually no, we're not going to put a background now. We're just going to just show you the removal part first, and then we're going to hit preserve, and then we're just going to hit generate. It takes about 30 seconds. And then when it gets done, you'll see the different tabs. We have a cutout tab, adjusted tab, background tab, and a mask tab. You could just download the image by itself, download it with the background. You could just download just the mask part. And then, yeah, so here it is. See how clean it is. It's done. It looks really good. Background is gone. Everything is crisp and clear. The image was not touched. And you can add this. You can add your grids, different backgrounds, so you can kind of see the context of it. Not bad at all, right? There's no background, but I do have a feature where you can add a background. So you can see here's the data needs review. We have a lab, that kind of a quality lab where it checks the quality of the image. You can edit the mask. You can open it in the studio. The studio is not Photoshop, but it's kind of similar to Photoshop, where it's just an editing section where you could just tweak it, erase, and touch up the image. But as you can see, it's not a bad image at all. To me, it looks very good. And that's it. You see how fast I did it for free, very cheap. Only thing I used was my RAM and my PC. That's it. You can see how it masked it. I'm just blown away how good it looks. And then, yeah, so you can just go do another one. We could open it in the studio. I'll show you how that works. So you see, now it's open in the studio. You could edit it more. You could resize it. You could add more stuff to it. It definitely needs to be touched up because, as you can see, the edges right here probably need to be fixed. I'm going to figure that out, how to remove that and how to make it more dynamic and kind of maybe mask it even better but this is just the first version. I have a lot more plans with this tool. Let me go back, and then you can see our quality lab. Let's see, inspect it. Hold on, let's go back. Okay. Actually, I'll do that later. Oh, we could do it now. Go here. And then okay, so this one didn't produce one, but my other image did. Actually, let's just show you the other image. Okay, here we go. See the difference? So it's just showing you basically the quality of the lab, what passed, what didn't pass, the mask, the cutout, and all that. So to me, that's pretty cool. I kind of like that feature. And we could do batch jobs, all that. Let's try another one. Now here we go. See how you have the original, the cutout, the final, and the mask. Pretty cool, right? And then let's go back to jobs again. We could go to, see, this is just the background to generate it, and then it places the cutout on top of there. Granted, it doesn't look perfect yet, but I want to work on blending them together where you get a seamless, perfect picture ready to go and put on e-com platforms. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions on what I did or how I did it, I'm willing to answer and provide any help I can. But this is just a local tool. I would make it public, but it's just so messy right now. I probably won't do that. But yeah, I'm super excited about building this. I'm really happy. I mean, it wasn't too difficult to build, but just learning all these different things, the stuff I never learned before, was mind blowing. I learned so much, and yeah, it's just very useful, and I can see myself using this all the time versus using an API or paying for a service or using a free service or whatever. So yeah, thank you for watching the video and have a great day.